Dear Udemy learner, thank you so much for visiting the preview for this course called SAP ALE iDoc Made Easy. I would also like to thank you to Udemy, YouTube, or many such video platform for providing wonderful platform which is enabling the link between you and me to share the priceless knowledge, to enhance the technical skill, to grab the new career opportunities hassle free. Now let's go and see what you can learn from this course. You are going to learn the fundamentals of ALE technology, like what's ALE, what is iDoc. Then you are going to learn what are the various T codes and how these T codes can be used effectively. Then you are going to learn what are the sender configuration and sender program. The sender program is also known as outbound program. Then you are going to learn ALE receiver side configuration and the receiver side function module. Then you are going to learn how you can troubleshoot if a iDoc get fails, whether it is a outbound iDoc or whether it is a inbound iDoc. Now, the prerequisite for this course is not mandatory. However, if you have the basic knowledge of ABAP, it will help you to understand the course in a better way. Or if you have the basic knowledge of any programming language, this course you will be able to understand easily. Now, why you should enroll to this course? You should enroll to this course because of many various reasons. Some of these listed over here. For example, this course covers all the fundamental aspects of ALE iDoc. This course covers end-to-end configuration. This course covers troubleshooting in the sender side or receiver side. Also, not only this, I will keep on updating the course with the new content like change pointer, distribution model, and many more. Then this course is obviously going to be priceless like all other courses because for the course, we cannot determine the price. And I will keep a price in such a way that it will return you a good value, a true value for money. Why you should enroll in this course? Another motivation I would like to show you from my YouTube channel over here. I posted one video from this ALE iDoc over there and I got the 5.9K view within 3 months and I got a lot of comments over there. I just missed over here to take the comment. I will put this comment over here and show you. Okay, so I have updated the comment part of that video and here you can see that how wonderful comment I have received. Thank you so much for such a clear explanation. Really, we explained. So these comments motivated me to launch this course on the Udemy. The full course is over here and you can learn the ALE iDoc in very much detail. And now I would be also offering the extra stuff. I will be updating the course time to time whenever I will feel some new stuff like I'm having in my mind to prepare the content for change pointer in detail and I will update this course. After that, I will also prepare the content on demand. If you feel some topic related with ALE iDoc need to be created based upon your topic, your feedback, your review, I will prepare the content in video form or whatever form you would ask. I will try with my level to with I would try with my level best to prepare the content and put in front of you. So with this, I'm closing the session for the course preview and I hope you to see there in my course. Thank you so much once again for watching the course preview, and thank you so much in advance to have the decision to enroll the course.